Lezi indaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekumkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze mina nje. Umbutho wezokuvikela wakuleli usuqinisekisile ukuthi zizofika kusasa izidumbu zamasosha ali-14 asale enkundleni empini eqhubekayo e-Democratic Republic of Congo.
In our quest to change the living conditions of our people, we will not be bullied.
Izoqhubeka namhlanje ntambama inkulumo mpikiswano yamalungu ePhalamende emayelana nenkulumo kaMengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa ayethulela isizwe ngesonto ledlule.
There are no mass land grabs taking place in South Africa. There is no expropriation without compensation.
Umholi we-Democratic Alliance uJohnston Hazen uthi kuyakhathaza ukusabalala kwemininingwane engelona iqiniso ngomthetho wokubuyiselwa komhlaba wakuleli kanye nokungaboni ngasolinye kweMelika nohulumeni wakuleli ngalolu daba. Ukuthula kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala. Igama lami nginguDawud Phungula. Kulindele ukuthi usingathe kusasa umcimbi okunikezela kwezidumbu zamasosha ombutho wezokuvikela wakuleli SANDF aphangelele empini eqhubeka eMpumalanga ye-DRC ngenkathi etholana phezulu namavukela mbuso iM23 ngenyanga edlule. Ngokwesitatimende esishicilelwe yi-SANDF lo mcimbi uzobanjelwa esikhumulweni sezindiza sombutho wezokuvikela eSwartkoop ePitoli kanti uzohlanganisa nenkonzo yesikhumbuzo. Kulindele ukuba izikhulu zikahulumeni, abaholi bamasosha kanye nemindeni abaphangalele bathamele lo mcimbi. Kusenjalo njengoba ke lakuleli lisalindeleke ukubuyiswa kwamasosha ashonele eMpumalanga ye-DRC owayengumongameli wakuleli uThabo Mbeki ugcizelele ukuthi impi ayisoze yaba isisombululo esempi eqhubekayo kwelase-DRC.
They even adopted a resolution on the defense and protection of the minorities in the Congo. This was because of this issue, which persists to this day, of the Banyamulenge and so on, that these are Congolese and must be treated like other Congolese. That's why the formal resolution on the defense and protection of the minorities was adopted at the Sun City thing.
Owayengumengameli uThabo Mbeki uthi izinkinga ezibhekene neDRC kunzima ukuziqonda. Uthi ubuholi akufanele buzishaye indiva izindaba zokungaboni ngasolinye okuqhubekayo eDRC. Kumanje ke lezi nqushunqushu seziholele ekutheni iqembu lamavukela mbuso iM23 lithathe idolobha iGoma.
The person who led the process for the negotiations that resolved all of these outstanding issues in the Congo, leading to the elections 2006, formation of a new government and all that, was late President Masire. So even when they came and located here and met at Sun City, the chief negotiator was President Masire. And when we intervened, it was to support him. So, but the region was very, very supportive in this regard, and everybody, I think, was very much behind South Africa in what South Africa had to do to assist the Congolese.
Kusenjalo elakuleli ke lisalindele ukufika kwamasosha ayishumnane ashonele eDRC. Amafuleki ke andizela phansi ukuhlonipha amaqhawe alahlekelwe impilo yawo.
Izoqhubeka namhlanje ntambama inkulumo mpikiswano yamalungu ePhalamende emayelana nenkulumo kaMengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa ayethulela isizwe ngesonto ledlula. Isonto lokuqala begxile esinqumweni seMelika sokunqamela uxhaso lwemali kuleli.
Iningizimu Afrika idingide udaba lweinzongo ezenziwe iMelika ngenkathi kunenkulumo mpikiswano ebiyimayelana nenkulumo eyethulwa ngumengameli wezwe ethulela isizwe.
You sign into law the Bella Act, the NHI Act, as well as the Expropriation Act. These masses respected the fact that the continuing process of social and national emancipation to which we are subjected remains a contested terrain.
And there is no threat of genocide in South Africa. Let's make that clear. There are, however, legitimate cries of historically and presently oppressed and excluded black majority who demand the return of the land and the wealth.
Mr. President, we are not being attacked by Trump administration because you did anything wrong. They are attacking us because of our stand on Israel. They are attacking us because of the action the government has taken to ICJ.
Ohola iIFP ufuna inguquko ekuhlinzekweni komasipala ngemali nokuthi icutshungulwe nomshwayilense iNHI.
The IFP fully supports the principle of universal access to health care. Our concern, Honorable President, is the feasibility and affordability of the NHI in its current form.
Abanye abaholi bezombusazwe bafuna umnyango wezasekhaya uqiniso ukuze kungeke kube nokukhwabanisa. Le nkulumo mpikiswano izoqhubeka namhlanje ntambama.
Umholi we-Democratic Alliance uJohnston Hazen uqagule ukuthi kuzofanele silanyulwe ngokushesha isimo phakathi kukaMengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump kanye nohulumeni waseNingizimu Afrika ngodaba oluphathelene nokuthathwa komhlaba.
uSteven Hazen uthi ukufafazwa kweinkulumo zokuthi kunokudliwa komhlaba okubhokile eNingizimu Afrika kufanele kunqandwe ngokusheshsha kungaze kuphume esandleni. Uthe bangene kuhulumeni weGNU ngenhloso yokwenza umehluko ngokwakheka kwamathuba emisebenzi nokukhuliswa komnotho wezwe. Kodwa uthe konke lokhu kusengcupheni yokukhinyabezeka uma lolu daba ngomhlaba lungaxazululwa nelaseMelika. uSteven Hazen ukhathazekile nangokusatshaliswa ngokungelona iqiniso ngalomthetho okuthathwa komhlaba.
There are no mass land grabs taking place in South Africa. There's no expropriation without compensation of large pieces of land in South Africa. That's simply not true. And so the DA has also sent delegations to the United States ahead of the AGOA discussions in the last year to try and persuade lawmakers in Washington why it is important to keep South Africa in. The party will also be sending some of its teams over to go to the United States to speak to people there.
Ihhovisi likaMengameli waseNingizimu Afrika linethemba ngokuthi bazokwazi ukuhlala phansi maduzane nehhovisi likahulumeni waseMelika.
What is important is that we are still looking forward to an opportunity to engage with the Trump administration to actually understand what is the actual issue, because we believe that they know that there are no land scissors in South Africa and they know the truth. And we're hoping that at some point soon we'll be able to have that engagement and the real issues will be placed on the table.
uMagwenya useveze nokuthi uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa akanantshisekelo yokubamba umhlangano nabe AfriForum nokuyibo abaqale lenkulumo kuTrump ngeinsolo zokuthi uhulumeni wakuleli udla umhlaba ngaphandle kwesinxephezelo.
Kusenjalo usihlalo wesigungu esiphezulu seDA uHelen Zille uthi sebexhumene nomengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump amcacisele ukuthi ukudliwa komhlaba akwenzeki njengamanje eNingizimu Afrika, kepha umthetho wokubuyiselwa komhlaba ungase uholele ekutheni lokhu kugcine kwenzeka esikhathini esizayo.
Nakuba iDA iwuphonsela inselele umthetho wokubuyiselwa komhlaba, kepha usihlalo wesigungu esiphezulu saleli qembu uHelen Zille usegxeke amazwi kaTrump wathi akawuqondi ngokugcwele umthetho wokubuyiselwa komhlaba. iDA ithi nakuba ukudliwa komhlaba ngaphandle kwesinxephezelo kungenzeki okwamanje, kepha lo mthetho ungase ukuvumele lokhu esikhathini esizayo.
Well, he got it wrong when he insinuated and implied that whole-scale land expropriation was happening right now without compensation. That is not correct. But the truth is that the Expropriation Act does potentially open the door for that. And I think he was probably given a quick briefing around the passage of the Expropriation Act and interpreted as not only opening a window, but as it factually happening already.
uZille unxuse idlanzana labamhlophe abanikezwe ithuba lokukhoseliswa yiMelika ukuthi bangalokuthi benze iphutha lokuflathela elakuleli.
Obviously, we would strongly urge people to stay in South Africa and to work to try and do whatever we can to make our country succeed and make our country prosperous. But Trump is very canny. And when he makes a move like that, he knows he's thought about it.
Uqhube wathi eminye imithetho ecicwe umengameli wezwe efana nomthetho wezemfundo iBhela inakho ukucindezela abantu bebala elimhlophe.
Mukele sisathi iqhubu ezitolo kanti uma sibuya sizokuphathela uWT.
We are very sad to hear that the guy now is out of bail. Apparently it's 1,000 rand bail.
Uthukuthela uganunu wabo umama wentombazanyana eneminyaka emithathu okusolwa ukuthi idlwengule umnikazi wesitolo sendawo esiyabuswa eMpumalanga. Bukele sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibiko ukuthi Umbutho wezokuvikela wakulelo sokuqinisekisile ukuthi zizofika kusasa izidumo zama-social issue 14 asale enkundleni empini eqhubekayo eDemocratic Republic of Congo. Bukele sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Isigungu esibhekele ezamabhizinisi yaseNingizimu Afrika kwelaseMelika sesithola imilayezo engaphezulu kwezinkulungwane eziyishumi yalabo abafuna incazelo ngokufudukela eMelika.
I am meeting with Mr. Neil Diamond in order to get clarity on this. I also would want to understand what is happening, whether it is a shortcut through the immigration processes that the United States has. Secondly, whether they are indeed coming in as refugees, or most importantly, whether these are simply people who do want to not have the burden of the long process. Very importantly, whether it contradicts Mr. Trump's moratorium on refugees coming into the country is another matter, because that's also an executive order.
Umqondisi wohlelo iCaprisa uSolwazi uSalim Abdul Karim uthi izinhlelo ezibhekele ukulwa negciwane lesandulela ngculazi nengculazi uqobo ezweni ezikhahlamezekile. Lokhu kuza ngemva kwesinqumo sikahulumeni waseMelika sokumisa uxhaso lwemali eNingizimu Afrika.
Akucaci ngekusasa lezinhlangano ezingenza inzuzo ezithembele emalini ebivela eMelika. Zikhathazekile izinhlangano ezingekho ngaphansi kukahulumeni njengoba uxhaso lwezemali lwaseMelika kuyilona olusekela izinhlelo zokulwa nesandulela ngculazi nengculazi uqobo kuleli.
Impact is very significant and it affects all parts of our society, and research is also impacted by this exercise. So USAID funds several research programs, and they fund them throughout Africa, including South Africa. In South Africa, I'm not aware of the entirety of what they fund, but there are two large programs that they fund that we are part of.
Nokho Abdul Karim uthi ingxenye enkulu umsebenzi okulwa naleli gciwane kuleli isazoqhubeka.
I think the AIDS control program and AIDS treatment functions without the need for PEPFAR anyway, but PEPFAR makes it better. And what we will see is a program that's going to now not have certain things like the amount of data that's collected.
Inhlangano engenza inzuzo esenkabeni edolobha eTheku ithi iziguli eziningi bezisizakala kakhulu kulezi inhlangano ezingenza inzuzo esezivaliwe.
So the question is, as we complete this grant on the 31st of March, what happens at midnight to the organizations right now that are holding the fort? Because while PEPFAR's funding might have been suspended, the ones that are supported by Global Fund and other donor agents are the ones that are keeping the doors open.
Lezi inhlangano zinethemba ukuthi ukumiswa koxhaso lwemali kuzoba yinto yesikhashana.
Izikhulu zomnyango wokuhlungelelisa kwezimilo zithi sekube nenqubekela phambili emzamweni yazo yokunqanda izigameko zokweqa kweziboshwa emajele kuleli.
Umnyango wezokuhlunyeleliswa kweyimili uvezela amalungu eshamthetho uhlelo lwawo ukuthi usuyilandele zonke incomo ezenziwa umbikeli womphakathi embikweni wakhe. Lolu hlelo lwawo luphathelene nokugwema ukweqa kanye nokulwa nenkohlakalo. Malungu eParliamente athi izethulo zalomnyango ayinayo imininingwane yanele.
What happened to timelines, specificity? Is this just, it felt very much like a tick box exercise. Like you guys went and looked at the old policy, you zhuzhed it up, and then you brought it here.
Komishana kazwelonke emnyangweni wezokuhlunyeleliswa kweyimilo uthela kuleli lilwa nobugebengu kuzo zonke inhlaka.
One escape to us is one too many. But if we look at the statistics of escapes in the department over the years, the escapes have been going down. And it's because we, as I've indicated, we are doing what we can with the little that we have.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe libese livikela umnyango ngokusheshsha.
No, we were requested to come and brief the portfolio committee on the action plan, what we've done in terms of public protectors reports that has been given to us, and whether we've complied or not complied with those paragraphs. And indeed, as a department, we acceded to that.
Ngenkathi ephendula mayelana nenzolo zokubandakanyeka kwezikhulu zomnyango ekusizeni abeqayo, uthe umnyango uyabhekana nalokho ngeindlela zawo zokuqondisa igwegwe.
Sithanda ukwexwayisa ababukeli abasheshe bazwele ngemininingwane equkethwe yilombiko landelayo. Uthi ukuthela uganunu wabo mama wentombazanyana eneminyaka emithathu okusolwa ukuthi idlwengulwe umnikazi wesitolo sendawo eSiyabuswa eMpumalanga.
Umama ubhekene nobuhlungu nokuhlukumezeka emva kokuthi kudlwengulwe intombazanyana yakhe neminyaka emithathu ubudala. Umama wentombazanyana uthi okumzwisa ubuhlungu ukuthi umsolwa uzivumele ngokwakhe.
Athi, I'm sorry mama, it was a mistake. Githi, how? A mistake ngewami umntwana. Athi, I'm always washing pony, I'm always honey, it was a mistake.
Unxusa ukuba lolu udaba ludluliselwe kwesinye isiteshi samaphoyisa esizokwazi ukuphenya kabanzi.
Omunye avele ngaphakathi athi yazini abantu balastag njani bona ukuthi nisimoshela icase.
Izakhamuzi zaseSiyabuswa zifuna kwenziwe ubulungiswa.
Into leyo isilimaze khulu njengoba siboma bomphakathi weSiyabuswa ngoba akuna muntu owesifazane odeserve ukudlunguliwa.
We are very sad to hear that the guy now is out of bail. Apparently it's 1,000 rand bail.
Amaphoyisa seMpumalanga kanye neNPA banqabile ukuphawula ngelithi uphenyo lusaqhubeka.
Libe nezingqinamba ezimbalwa isonto lokuqala lokufunda nokufundisa eNyuvesi yaseFort Hare naseNyuvesi iWalter Sisulu eEastern Cape.
I-University yakwaNokholeji ithi liqole yaligangatha ukuqhuba unyaka wemfundo. Le university ithi ifumene izicelo ezingaphaya kwama200 kubafundi abazokwenza unyaka wokuqala. Kodwa yona ikwazi ukuthatha abafundi abangaphaya kwama3,000. Ikwathi yenza konke okusemandleni kuqinisekisa ukuba izidingo zabafundi ziyakhawulelwa.
The university is fully ready for the upcoming academic year, and specifically to enhance the experience for our students and staff. So some classrooms are being renovated to create a more modern and upgraded space.
Kusenjalo, abanye abafundi kweliziko mfundo bathi abakazifumana izibonelelo eziphuma kwiziko uNSFAS.
Siyapatanisa, looking a better way, like we are going from one place to another. Siyadibanisa ukutya, and at some point nale mali sizena from ebazalini asinayo yaphela. So at this point asinawo namathemba, silinde imali kaNSFAS.
Sisigaba sabafundi sithethile nemanagement that mabanike abantwana imali zabo zokutya ngoba uNSFAS utshilo ukuthi ba isikolo usinikile imali ngaphambili.
Nakwi-University iWalter Sisulu abafundi bajongene nengxaki yendawo zokuhlala.
NSFAS waba nabantu bakhe nje asebenza nabo bo accredita i-buildings ezingenazo ne-roof for some time. Ezinye zazo zibe zikwindawo ezibonayo bazikho strategic and they are in a noisy area for uba zinga-accommodate student.
Inzame zokuthethana ne-University iWalter Sisulu zezaphanza. Abongile Yankees kwiindaba ze-SABC eMondi.
Bukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu. Bukelezi kuqala ezehora lokuqala sizobuya nezinye izindaba uma libumbana ihora lesikhombisa usale kahle.